objects or people. It is used to talk about the ownership. It is used to show the ownerships on things or people. Like okay, like this pen is mine. This pen is mine. This house is yours. Like this we use the pronouns to show the ownership. And in this video we are going to do one gentle exercise on possessive pronouns to understand where to use these pronouns in the sentences. Okay, so let me give you some recall on possessive pronouns. What are the possessive pronouns and their Tamil meaning? So possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its. These are the singular possessive pronouns. These are the singular possessive pronouns. Ours, yours, theirs. These are the plural possessive pronouns. These are the plural possessive pronouns. Mine refers to first person. Mine refers to first person. That is, if imagine that I have a pen. Okay, I have a pen and that pen belongs to me. Then how can I say? Yes, I can say by using this pronoun, that is, this pen is mine. This pen is mine. This watch belongs to me. So how can I say? Yes, this watch is mine. This watch is mine. I can tell you the Tamil meaning for all the pronoun first, and then we'll discuss about the examples. Okay. So mine in Tamil will be ennodiyathu. Ennodiyathu, only one person. Ours means engaludiyathu. It may be for 2 or 3 persons. Belong to the first person. Well, it belongs to me. If they belongs to me, I can say this house is ours. This house belongs to me and my sister. This house is ours. Okay, ours means engaludiyathu. Yours unnudiyathu. This yours ungaludiyathu. In Tamil only we say that unnudiyathu ungaludiyathu for 2 words, right? But in English we use the only one word, that is yours, for to refer both singular and plural noun. That is yours only. So yours stands for both singular, that is unnudiyathu, as well as plural ungaludiyathu. Okay. Then his refers to one male person. His refers to one male person. Like his means avanudiyathu. Avanudiyathu. Imagine that there is a house and I am telling that this house belongs to Rohan. This house belongs to Rohan. By using the pronoun, possessive pronoun, how can I say? Yes, this house is his. This house is his. Idu avanudiya veedu. Hers belongs to, her refers to one female person. Her refers to one female person. So hers means avaludiyathu. Hers means avaludiyathu. And it means adanudiyathu. It means adanudiyathu. That is, it refers to both one animal or one bird or one thing. And what about this theirs? Theirs means 2 or more boys or 2 or more girls or 2 or animals. When we are talking about 2 or 3 persons, there we use theirs. Now, do you understand about this plural form? Yes. Now, I'll give you one more example. I'm going to give you one more example for each sentences. Like, I have a bangle and this bangle belongs to me. Then how can I say by using the pronoun? Yes, this bangle is mine. This bangle is mine. And imagine that I am talking about one house and I am telling you that house belongs to me and my sister. Then how can I say? Yes, that house is ours. That house is ours. By using yours, yes, that house is yours means adu ungaludiya veedu. That house is yours, adu ungaludiya veedu. And for his, I can say the same house names to him also, right? ஒரு boy நம்ம இப்ப சொல்றேன்னா ஒரு boyக்கு அந்த வீடு அவங்களுடைய வீடுனா that house is his, அது அவனுடைய வீடு. அதுவே for girls, that house is hers, for only one female person, only one girl. It means that nest is belongs to the bird. அந்த கூடு அந்த ஒரு பறவையுடையது. It's that nest is its. Okay, theirs means it refers to both 2 person or 2-3 person or 2-3 animals there. This house belongs to Rohan and Sheila. Rohan and Sheila means I can say that this house is theirs. This house is theirs. Now here I have written 6 questions on the board. You have to help me to find out which possessive pronoun is suitable for those questions. Okay, shall we start? Okay, so let me read out the first question for you. Filling the blanks. First question, this bicycle belongs to Kumar. This bicycle belongs to Kumar. Kumar refers to one boy. This bicycle is dash. Then which pronoun, which possessive pronoun I need to use? So without using his name, I need to use possessive pronoun. So instead of Kumar means it refers to one boy. For boy, which possessive pronoun I said? These are all the singular pronoun. From this, which refers to the boy? Yes, his. Then the correct answer is this bicycle is his. In Tamil, in the bicycle avanodiyadu. His means avanodiyadu. Okay, let's do the second question, that is this scarf belongs to my aunt. This scarf belongs to my aunt. Then this scarf is dash. So I am telling it differently that this scarf belongs to my aunt. My aunt is a female person. She is the only one person. Then for female, which pronoun we need to use for only one person? For singular, which is the singular pronoun which is used to refer girl? Yes, hers. Then I need to use hers. This scarf belongs to my aunt. Then this scarf is hers. H-E-R-S. Hers. Okay. Let's do third. This toy belongs to you. This toy belongs to you. Then this toy is dash. This toy is dash. So for referring you, that is unnodiyadu. Unnodiyadu in English what I said? Which pronoun? Yes, yours. This refers to only one person. Then this is yours. Unnodiyadu. This toy is yours. That pillow belongs to me. That pillow belongs to me. That pillow belongs to me. So I am telling that pillow belongs to me. Then for me, which pronoun I need to use? For first person, singular will be mine. Ennodiyadu. This is only ennodiyadu. Adu vandu ennodiya pillow. Then ennodiyadu in English will be mine. So I need to write the correct answer, that is mine. Then that pillow is mine. Let's go for fifth question. This apartment belongs to me and my family. This apartment belongs to me and my family. And in the apartment, engalodiyadu, that is ennodiyadu, in the family members doom. Okay, then here which pronoun I need to use? I am talking about two persons of my family. Right? I am talking about the two person, that is plural, and it is also belongs to me and my family only. That is if it is belongs to me, I can use mine. But if it is belongs to me and my family, that is plural. Appana enna na use panna? Engalodiyadu will be ours only. Okay, so ours is the correct answer. This apartment belongs to me and my family. This apartment is ours. In the apartment engalodiyadu. Okay, last sentence. This suitcases belongs to Anuja and Ravi. This suitcases belongs to Anuja and Ravi. Then these suitcases are, how can we say by using the pronoun? Anuja and Ravi are the two persons, right? When we are talking about the two persons means which pronoun we need to use? Idu avargaludiyadu. Avargaludiyadu in English what I said? Yes, theirs, right? So theirs only we are going to write. These suitcases are theirs. Clear, children? If you can remember this pronouns in Tamil also, then that is very easy for you. Okay, just remember that mine means ennodiyadu, ours means engalodiyadu, yours means unnodiyadu, this yours ungalodiyadu, his means avanodiyadu, hers avalodiyadu, its adanodiyadu, theirs avargalodiyadu or avaigalodiyadu. Okay, so if you remember these pronouns and all this question answer you can write by yourself itself. Okay, if you can tell that your friends, this pen is mine, you can say idu ennodiya pen. How can you say this pen is mine? That is your house. Adu ungalodiya veedu. How can you say? Yes, that house is yours. If just remember all these pronouns and use it in your real life. Whenever you are talking, try to use these pronouns for showing the ownership of the things or people. Clear? Thank you, children. I hope you are clear with this possessive pronouns. I'll see you with the next video by showing the book back exercise. Thank you.